water shield is a form of underlayment for your roof. Now, this is typically made out of an asphalt rubberized material that has a sticky back, that when you peel it off, it is directly applied to the decking of your roof. Now, Ice and Water Shield is for leak protection, but by no means it is leak proof. It typically depends on the climate that you live in. For instance, if you live in an area where there is a lot of rain, a lot of freeze, a lot of thaw, the shield will be installed along the eaves, the valleys, and penetration areas that are mostly prone to leaks.